I'm Seti. I got Nick this coconut from Christmas and it has a little face. And we're not gonna do a hole in it, we're gonna do a hole underneath it, 2 holes. This is how big it is. And it looks like there's some going into it when it screws. Yeah. Yeah. And I can tighten it up. Tight. Yeah.
Okay.
There. Okay, so drill underneath the face.
Okay.
Okay.
Grab the coconut.
Underneath the face, okay? Underneath it. Right there.
Okay. So 1 hole or 2 holes?
2 holes.
Kevin says hold on tight to the round coconut so it doesn't roll while you're drilling.
Here.
Slippy says wear safety glasses so you don't get coconut dust in your eyes.
Did you do in the face? Did you do in the face?
No, face is down there. Okay. 1 more hole?
Yep.
Okay. Blow it.
I already poured on it.
You want to drink it?
Yeah.
How should we do that? All right, ready? Want to pour it?
Yeah. That tastes yummy. Yummy.
Slippy says make sure you don't drink chunks of coconut shell or the hairs.
Yum.